Displaying this sidebar on the page is now a step in the right direction. At the moment, we just have the dummy data, which we added into our theme. And this is what we're going to focus on in this video. First of all, the about block at the top is just some basic plain text, so we can leave this as it is. After this, we have our dynamic sections of archives and categories, and we can work with these over in the sidebar.php. So this is the top block with the text. The second one is the archives. And what we need to do, we need to remove our free list items, which we have inside the ordered list. And then in place of this, we can add a WordPress function called wp get archives. Brackets and then semicolon at the end. Let's check this is working in the browser. Reload. Good, so I've only created these blog posts in 1 month, so we only see the 1 month appear in the archives. We can click on this. We see the date is being populated in the URL and also the blog posts which were created in this month. Now let's move on to the categories just below. We can do a very similar thing by removing our 2 list items and then replacing this with a WordPress function. This WordPress function this time is called WP list categories. And we can check this out. We have multiple categories, so refresh. We have the news. And close off our link and then indent this. I'm going to now leave the rest to you if you want to go ahead and add any more social media links. Once you're done with this, I will then see you in the next video.